Want to switch your DJI OSMO Pocket 1, 2, or 3 wireless frequency from 2.4 GHz or 5.8 GHz? By doing this, you will get a faster, more stable connection with less interference. In this video, I'll show you how to charge the wireless frequency on your DJI OSMO Pocket. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure to connect DJI Mimo app with your DJI OSMO Pocket device. Otherwise, you won't get the final result that you are looking for, because this is a very useful feature for improving transfer speeds with the DJI Mimo app. So now turn on the camera, swipe down to bring the menu option. Now tap on the gear icon, scroll down a little bit, and after that tap on wireless connection. Then tap on Wi-Fi frequency. Select 5.8 GHz if you want best speed. But keep in mind that some older smartphones may not support the 5.8 GHz band. Then you may need to switch back to 2.4 GHz. So that's all. This is how you can change the wireless frequency on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.